beautiful day to have some money. Money is a very, very, very touchy subject when you talk to people about it. I see a lot of people struggling with money. I was one of these people for the longest time. Just didn't know how to play the money game. It was difficult for me. And what I see is a lot of people just focusing on money and the lack of money. And that's why it causes suffering in their lives. So if you're struggling with money, let me tell you something, and you want to make more money, I'm gonna have to ask you to stop thinking about money. See, money is a result of a different way of thinking and behaving in the world. That's what money is. And you can sit here and you can talk about how money is, I don't know, fucking the world and making the world a worse place than it is. Let me tell you something, money will not go where it's disrespected. Money will not come to you if you don't love money. Dude, I love money. Money's amazing. And there's some people that come to, yeah, but money's not important as love. I'm like, dude, are you broke? You must be broke. What does that have to do with that? What does love have to do with money? It's like you're telling me, yeah, but your dad is not as important as your mom. What does that have to do with that? They're both important. Love is important where it's important. Happiness is important where it's important. But let me tell you something, love and happiness is not gonna pay the bills. Money is very important. You know, there's companies that bring me in as a motivational speaker. And you know, I tell them it's a beautiful day to make some money. And they're like, what the hell? This guy was gonna talk about motivation and stuff. And I go into it and I say, you know what? Why am I really here? You know, why am I here to motivate you, to change your culture, to do all of that? Because ultimately, the bottom line is you wanna make more money. Sure, it's good to change the world. Sure, it's good to help people out there. But for a business to thrive, its oxygen is money. And it's the same for you. You need money to fund your dreams. You need money to pay the bills. You need money for charity. You need money to build a mosque or a church. That's what you need money for. Money is important where it's important. I see these people that, you know, they go on a hater kind of frenzy of like, money's bad. No, money's not bad. People are bad. Money's a tool. It's like a hammer. You can build a house with it, or you can destroy that house. This is what I learned from T. Harv Eker. You know, money's not corrupt. People are corrupt. Money is a direct reflection of what you are. If you're a fucked up human being, you're gonna use that money to fuck up your life and fuck up other people's lives. If you're a good person, you will use that money to create good in the world. Money is amazing. But if you go on that rant of how money's evil, money will never come to you. Money is an energy. It's a way of thinking. And let me tell you something else, if you hate money, man's biggest misery in life is unfulfilled potential. And you realize that your bank account will reflect usually how much potential you're accessing. You don't have enough money in the bank account, it means you're not accessing enough potential in your life. That's the reality. So, you wanna make more money, I'm telling you, you gotta stop thinking about money. What you really want to start thinking about is, how am I going to create a service? How am I going to serve people in the world? How am I going to help people in the world? Because people are not going to come to you. Now, to help people in the world, you got to have a skill, and you better be good at it. You better be a master at it, because how much skill you have and the level of skill you have and the level of mastery that you have will determine your paycheck. You don't have money in the bank account, you're not serving enough people. You're not solving problems. So rather than waking up and saying, how can I make money? Ask yourself, who can I serve today? How many people can I serve? How many people can I help today? That's when the game starts to change financially. You know, people say, you know, as I said, love is more important than money. Actually, you know what? Money is love. Because for you to make money, you gotta start serving people. You gotta start helping people. And to do that, you need to love these people. You need to love them, you need to care about them. Which also reflects in your sales. What I wanna say to you is that you don't have money, hating it, despising it, talking about how the world is messed up, is not gonna solve the problem. What solves the problem is thinking about people, surrounding yourself with people every day, talking about what you do, promoting yourself, and having the servant mindset. That's what's gonna change your life. I hope this changes something within you. I hope you use this insight that it's not about the money, it's about accessing more potential within you. It's about serving people, it's about helping people, and that's what's gonna change your financial game. So I wish you luck, and remember, Sam's got your back.